Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, prevent Windows from notifying antivirus when open email attachment. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click and expand Attachment Manager. Open Notify Antivirus programs when opening attachments. Check Disabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.